Welcome back to the channel. Tony here. So today I want to talk about food while traveling by motorcycle. So one of the most difficult things to do is to have all your food and be self-contained. Yes, you have your tent, you have all your other things, but food was always one of the things that escaped me, because I'm very particular to my diet. I want to eat healthy. I don't want to be stopping at fast food. And then, a restaurant with the bike and all your gear, sometimes it's difficult to stop and de-gear and do all that and go in. So I like to be self-sufficient. So I'm, on a day trip, I just cook me up a meal with the jet boil, and I'm fairly self-sufficient in that regard, that I don't have to stop anywhere and get food. Not that I wouldn't. It really depends on the situation, where you're at and what you want to do. But this really becomes, to me, this is one of the better options. So you can do all kinds of different things. And I'm trying to sample different ones. This is for breakfast. These can range anywhere from $8 to $12. I mean, here's this one right here. I mean, this is a good $10 meal right here. And then you got your biscuits and gravies and so on. But yeah, so for food on the road, and you can't really have perishables. So I gotta have my fruits and vegetables. So dried fruits is a good thing. Trail mix. I like these bars personally. I mean, you can get any kind of energy bar, but I like the kind over some of the other ones. And yeah, I mean, food for me is really important. It's a big part of the whole trip that you're on, and not having food is difficult. And then also packing food and bringing food with you, it can be difficult. So I've found that these freeze-dried or whatever you want to call them meals, I can pack enough for 3 or 4 days, or just, 1 or 2 for a day trip. And, some dried fruits and some bars and some trail mix and other things that are non-perishable are good things to bring on the road when you're traveling and you just want to pull over at a rest stop, fire up your jet boil, make some food and eat without having to deal with restaurants and stopping and doing all that stuff. So food on the road, a little bit of planning, a little bit of, getting yourself some, these are really good. I mean, I haven't eaten one that I haven't liked. And then we're trying this one. I like the spaghetti with meat sauce. I've had the Alfredo. I haven't had any of the breakfasts yet. In addition, you can chicken teriyaki, with rice and stuff like that. So you're going to be eating pretty good on the road without having to stop anywhere, or go into a restaurant or eating unhealthy with fast food. So as long as you have your water, you have your jet boil, you have food, and it's definitely one way to circumvent, I guess, or however you want to phrase it, the whole need to go to restaurants and stores and stuff. But one thing I do when I am on the road and I am traveling, if there's a fruit stand or vegetable stand, I will stop and I will get whatever I can carry for that day and just eat it. At least, I'm getting some good food for the day. So, but this is my, my fallback are these meals here that I know that I have a meal if I wanted a hot meal. And during the winter time, it's going to even be better for me having these hot meals, and it's cold out. Summertime, this is hot. This is going to stay hot for a while. So, yeah, you put it in your bowl and stuff, and it's going to cool down a lot faster than cooking in here. So, yeah, just touching on a subject that I didn't really see a lot of information when I was checking on how to do motorcycle camping and all that stuff. All the gear is all being talked about, but food was really never talked about. Because it's one of the most essential things. I mean, you got to eat. You have to have water and you have to have food. So I got these at REI. You can get them online. You can get them, just about anywhere you want. I don't know how successful you'd be on the road finding them. I'm sure there are places that carry them, different kinds. But yeah, food on the road. This is it. This is all you need to survive. You know, you got your fruits. Yeah, I don't have any trail mix right now, but I normally carry trail mix. So I get, you know, my protein and stuff from that. And then my snacks, I get 3 or 4 different flavors of these, which I really like, and then just water, and I'm good to go. So if you like this video, give it a good thumbs up. That helps me out. Subscribe. Ring the bell so you don't miss any of my other ones. We'll be doing other kinds of reviews on just stuff that I'm using, not really product reviews. So you don't miss those, and we'll catch you on the next video. I'm gonna have lunch, and the view's not bad either.